The investment industry is notorious for chasing the next great idea while professing that a great revelation has just been discovered. There have been many supposed sure winners: the Nifty 50, 50 stocks that guaranteed excellent returns; portfolio insurance, a guaranteed method of insulating portfolios from downturns; .com, where earnings were no longer important; private equity, providing decision-making freedom that turned out to be an excuse for high levels of leveraged debt; the Japan way, followed by a crash that lasted decades and introduced zero interest rates to the world; and more recently, hedge funds that attempt to repeat the unrepeatable. Investment Strategy Network is different. We are not providing miracles or wonder solutions and no next great discovery. Investment Strategy Network service is an investment tool designed to assist you in the decision-making process using proven and reliable analysis that has been used for decades by the people providing the information in real portfolios for real clients. It is designed to assist you in making or evaluating investment selection at all levels, from asset allocation to individual stock selection. It is a blend of examining historical data, economic influence, market trends, statistical relationships, and valuations. Economic elements are evaluated, and the relationship these elements have in influencing stock prices is determined and rated as very strong, moderate, uncertain, and inverse. When economic factors make a move, it is important to know the real impact. It is important to know if the stock is closely tied to movements in the market and the specific sector. Will the stock diversify a portfolio or concentrate? Individual stocks are evaluated in terms of sales, earnings, and dividend growth. The growth is compared over several time periods, and the reliability of the data is rated. Earnings per share and history is examined along with historical and current consensus. Stocks are ranked across the world on these key factors, and rankings are made from the top-rated to the bottom-rated. Rankings occur on the elements combined and separately. Stocks are ranked on a global, regional such as Europe, individual country such as UK, USA, and Japan, as well as on a market capitalization, sector, and industry group. The rankings enable us to create model portfolios based on different investment objectives, such as stability or opportunity. Models include asset allocation and individual securities. When changes are made in the portfolio models, notices are sent to subscribers, informing them on the day the changes are made in the portfolio models. Fair value has been calculated for over 1,500 stocks in the United States using 4 different criteria: revenue, earnings, and dividends. The fourth calculation is a combined calculation, weighting the level of influence specific criteria have in influencing fair value. The influence is also rated positive, neutral, or negative. Individual stocks can be compared and ranked according to the relative fair value. Markets can also be rated as overvalued, fairly valued, or undervalued, and by how much. This can be segmented according to market capitalization, sector, and industry group. Sector and industry group valuation return maps are constructed to identify forming trends, and each stock is plotted with parameters for over, fair, and undervaluation levels. Fair value influence is evaluated on a market capitalization level, sector, industry group, and a unique measurement as to whether the stock provides stability to a portfolio or if it is really a stock providing long-term aspirations. The service is designed to be used by professional investors, providing proven techniques, analysis, and recommendations that are time-proven. It ties together economic influence, fundamentals such as revenue growth, earnings, and dividends, and adding value through determining the reliability of the analysis. Ratings are on a global, regional, individual country, sector, industry group, and individual stock basis with fair values. Model portfolios are created and shared. If you'd like to know more about Investment Strategy Network, please go to our site at investment-strategy.net.